Starting with a blank canvas or a less than stellar design for your book cover? Meet BookCoverly, where creativity meets simplicity. Choose from an array of stunning templates designed for both paperbacks and ebooks. Watch as your cover transforms with intuitive tools and customizable options, making your book stand out in a crowded market. In just minutes, turn your vision into reality. BookCoverly, empowering authors with professional quality covers that captivate readers. Start your cover design journey at BookCoverly.com. Let's dive a little deeper into the magic behind BookCoverly. Imagine a world where you're the master of design, where every pixel and color gradient is under your command. That's BookCoverly. With a user-friendly interface, you can create, edit, and transform your book cover with ease. Adjust color tones, add unique text styles, apply stunning effects, and much more. The power of design is literally at your fingertips. And the best part? No design experience necessary. BookCoverly is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, empowering you with the tools to create a cover that truly represents your masterpiece. Ready to embark on your cover design journey? Click the link in the description to buy this awesome software at BookCoverly.com.